Welcome to Khao Yai, one of Thailand's most visited national parks. It sits northeast, about 3 hours from Bangkok. If you like getting out into nature, stopping for steak and chicken meals, enjoying waterfalls, exploring national parks, then this is for you. And my family and I start the adventure here on our campsite, and now we're off to go. So we're making the gradual ascent into Khao Yai. It's been some 20 minutes from the main motorway stretch, and the scenery is gradually changing. It's getting very beautiful, so lots of mountains and vegetation around us. Must admit, it draws some parallels so far to when we went to Chiang Mai, but unlike Chiang Mai, this is much nearer Bangkok. So if you're living in Bangkok, Pattaya or around them kind of suburbs, then this is very convenient to take your car. So our plan for today is a very loose plan. We know there's some waterfalls, we know there's lots of places to stop off and see, and really just do the tourist jaunt. I want to relax, and I must say, after spending the week in Bangkok, this is a welcome break. I'm sure I'll have a great time. Okay, so we just had our temperature checked. And so you can see, look, adults 400 baht, children 200 baht, car 50 baht. But that is 40 baht for Thais. And it's a little bit frustrating, to say the least, knowing that I've worked here for 15 years. But all I can say is, it seems to be the way it is. Swadee krap. Okay, ฝรั่งจะทำงานที่นี่ มาได้ไหมไม่ได้โอเค So we've paid our 400 baht each. It is frustrating, I've got to admit that, but I don't want to let it ruin the rest of our day, because now we're in this park. It's stunning. We've been here before, and I'm excited to have a really nice day. So onward we go. Let's forget about the two-tier pricing. So we've reached our first viewpoint. You'll see there's a lot of domestic travel here, but it's the weekend. What have we got here? Well, that makes a change to the Bangkok skyline.
No, is that our camping? Riding on a hook.
We've just seen a sign for a nature trail over there. Why not? We've got all the time in the world. So let's see where this takes us. It's nice to get into the shade. Hot day today. What does it say, Danny? Do not leave the trail. Because you've got wild animals here. So look out for them bisons and even elephants, Frank. They've spotted a tall tree. Up we go. Oh, it's a beauty. Okay, you see the sign? It's an evergreen forest here.
Like a monkey.
Maybe it's a monkey.
Is that wild elephant?
Might be a wild elephant.
Look, it's a sign, Papa, look.
That's the plant.
Wow, look at this. Oh, then you look at this.
Let's go another way, look.
This is another tall tree. Who wants to climb it?
Not me. Me.
That's too high. going down the mountain a little bit. Oh, here we go, back up again. It's just a huge national park. So big, in fact, that it covers into 3 different provinces. And for sure, we're gonna have to get our Google Maps out to make sure that we get out on the right side of this so we can get back to our campsite. But for now, we all want to find a waterfall. So we'll keep going forward. Spot the monkeys. Let's go and see this waterfall then. I think this waterfall is going to look good. Can you see it? Good dancing, Danny. So we've walked to the foot of this waterfall, and I must say there's plenty of water. That looks impressive. We can't swim here though.
Yeah.
It looks too dangerous, do you think?
Yeah.
Wow, what do you think of that? There is something incredibly powerful and awesome about nature. I think the lightning, thunderstorms, and what about the waterfall behind me? Just amazing. Put some vegetables in. We've had an absolutely exhausting day up in the mountains in Khao Yai. We're back at the campsite, and let's eat the way the Thais do, with a Thai barbecue. So we're cooking the meat, kids are putting the vegetables on, a couple of beers of course, for the wife, and then back to Pattaya in the morning. So that's it, we're going to enjoy our food. See you next time on Down About Thailand. Looks good, yeah?
Yeah. So good.
Put more vegetables in.
Okay.